Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I have a quick one for you guys on how to get to the Google Chrome store and download extensions. So, initially, what you're going to want to do is go to the top right corner of the Google Chrome browser where it actually has these three dots stacked up on each other. So, we're going to click that. And then we're going to scroll down to more tools. We're actually not going to click it. We're just going to hover over it and then go down to extensions. Click on that. And it brings you to a page where it shows you that extensions that you actually have downloaded on your Chrome browser. But we're actually going to go to the Chrome store and we're going to go to the left side of the browser where it has these three bars stacked up on each other. We're going to click on that and we're going to go down to Open Chrome web browser to the lower left corner of our browser. So it brings us to the Chrome Web Store, and here we have the recommended extensions for you, extension starter kits, and we have the categories like recommended for you, accessibility, blogging, developer tools, etc. And you also have themes. So when you have themes, these themes are basically your background for your Google Chrome browser. So let me just show you how it works. So let's say you want to download a theme, you click on it, you add to Chrome, it's checking. And now it has successfully added it to your Google Chrome browser. So when you click on the plus to add a new um, page, this pops up. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.